What's up, gamers? It's me, your boy Scoot, Scout, Scooter, whatever you feel like calling me. And today I decided to start a cooking show. So I'm going to put together a couple cool little recipes in a cooking show I call Bone Apple Tea. It's funny because I'm saying it wrong. Now today we're going to be making my secret baked mac and cheese. Is it really complicated? Don't worry, even an inbred idiot like you will be able to figure it out. First of all, we're going to need some butter. We're going to need milk, Fontina cheese. Fuck it, let's just do some ragu, I don't know. Alright, the final ingredient is going to be some PC white cheddar. Don't use Kraft Dinner, they're dead to me. When the butter's been in the fridge for a while, it's going to get real hard and difficult to work with. So in times like this, the microwave's going to be your friend. Now, keep in mind, we're going to have to keep it in there for a little bit to get the knife nice and hot. So let's say about 150 seconds, which is 230 seconds microwave time. Okay. So while we do that, we're going to need to use our white cheddar deluxe macaroni cheese. Okay, we don't need that. We're going to fill it up with a little bit of water so that way it can boil. That should be good. I just realized you forgot to preheat the oven. If you're like me and you forget to preheat the oven a lot, my tip would be to hit the clean button on your oven. Basically, what this does is makes the oven really, really hot, really fast in order to burn stuff off. Normally, what they do is they lock the oven as a safety precaution, but I've taken out the safety pegs on this oven, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. From this point on, what we're gonna want is we're gonna want to throw in a little bit of our ragu. Okay. I'm gonna slice a little bit of the butter off. I'm not really gonna use the cheese, but what we can do is we can do a little bit of breading. Let's stick it in the oven. There we go. Ah, shit. All right. Okay, so we're gonna want to leave it in there for about 6 hours. Yeah, let's just wait. Well, that means the mac and cheese is done. Oh, that's not so bad. Ooh, let's give it a taste. Well guys, that's my secret baked mac and cheese. I hope you really enjoy it. It's so simple, even a stinky queef like you should be able to figure it out. Alright, I'm gonna go eat it now. Bone apple tea.